Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Edmunds app works, what features it offers for car buyers and sellers, and whether it's worth using as a vehicle research and shopping tool. The Edmunds app is built around simplifying your car buying experience. It allows you to research both new and used vehicles with comprehensive pricing details, specs, photos, and user reviews. When you launch the app, you can start browsing by make, model, or category, such as SUVs, trucks, or electric cars. You can filter results based on price, mileage, trim, and even fuel type. The app also offers expert reviews and comparisons, making it easier to see how a vehicle stacks up against others in the same class. One of the most practical features is the price analysis tool. It shows you whether a listing is a good, fair, or overpriced deal based on local market data. This can be especially helpful when you're comparing cars across different dealerships. There's also a calculator feature to estimate monthly payments, including taxes and fees, so you can plan your budget before stepping into a dealership. In addition, the app includes trade-in value estimates, which can help you understand what your current car is worth if you're looking to sell or trade. For those who prefer shopping locally, Edmunds allows you to view dealer inventory and even contact sellers directly within the app. You can also save vehicles to your favorites list to keep track of them over time. The app updates listings regularly, so it's useful for keeping tabs on price changes or new arrivals that match your criteria. And if you create an account, the app will sync your preferences across devices. However, the app isn't perfect. Some users report occasional glitches with search filters or loading images. There are also limitations on private party listings, as most of the inventory comes from dealerships. That said, its overall reliability and ease of use have earned it solid ratings on both Android and iOS platforms. Many users appreciate the in-depth reviews, pricing transparency, and the fact that Edmunds doesn't pressure you into a sale like some other car apps. If you're in the market for a vehicle, the Edmunds app is definitely worth checking out. It's especially helpful for first-time buyers or anyone looking to make an informed decision without relying solely on dealer recommendations. While it may not replace in-person inspections or test drives, it's a strong starting point for your car search. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.